Okay, we're here with Anthony from SATIB Insurance Brokers. These guys are very well placed in the tourism market, providing fantastic service. Anthony, over to you. What is it that you do?
Yeah, okay. We've been providing specialist risk management services to the tourism, hospitality and leisure industries for the last 25 years. Our client base extends throughout Southern Africa. So essentially what we've started off doing was we initially started with insurance broking services, being all the commercial requirements for a typical hospitality, tourism or leisure operator. And then from there we've expanded into peripheral services, being incident management. Obviously the bulk of our clients are located in very remote areas of Southern Africa. The infrastructure and the resources available in those areas is fairly limited. So 4 or 5 years ago we realized that the guys needed support following a critical incident involving a guest or staff member. And with that in mind we went and we've created a service called SATIB24, which is run by our incident management company AIM, which provides obviously immediate medical assistance via one of our 2 doctors, and then a backup service of arranging for medical evacuations, etc. We found that that's become an integral part to our clients' service provision to the guest, knowing that they can, at the space of a quick phone call, get immediate assistance with some fairly critical incidents. And that's been a great success for us. And then around that we've built further additional services, some staff training, firefighting training, incident management training, first aid, we can arrange that too. So really the focus of SATIB and the Ivory Group is really to provide as many risk management services, not just insurance services necessarily, to the tourism, hospitality and leisure industries, and giving them an all-in, seamless type of product offering.
And just confirm the countries, it's all Southern African countries?
It's all Southern African. We represented, we have 5 offices in South Africa, each located in one of the key tourism areas, Western Cape, KZN, Nelspruit, obviously to service the Sabi areas, etc. Eastern Cape and Johannesburg. And then in Africa we have offices in Zimbabwe, Botswana, Namibia and Zambia, and then associate offices in Kenya, Tanzania and Mozambique.
So you do cover East Africa?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, brilliant. And in Durban, obviously a very useful platform for you to meet all these key clients?
Incredibly useful. Basically it's twofold for us. One is we're here on a servicing role. Obviously the bulk of our major clients are all in attendance. So it's obviously we have a big presence here. In the event that they need to ask us something, they need one of us to sit with one of their agents, they have a query of any sort, we're here on site to assist them with that. As well as there's a major PRO function for us, obviously seeing our clients. It's a wonderful event that brings all clients from all around Southern Africa into one location for the space of 4 days. So obviously again great PRO opportunity for us. And then obviously the prospective new business side. Again a lot of potential new clients are here, and we get a chance to network, meet with them, perhaps even get into dialogue with them.
Okay, and in terms of your new clients, do you think that the market is expanding well enough to generate? Are there new clients coming on the whole time? Are there new lodges opening the whole time? New tourism ventures?
Look, we do see growth. We do see new entrants coming into the industry. But obviously the last 2 or 3 years have been tough, and we've found that with our existing client base and that in discussion with them and obviously we work with the guys now and trying to design products and services that meet their requirements now in this harder, tougher market that we're all in. And then as far as the potential new clients go, obviously a lot of the guys are looking at their options, they are looking around, and we obviously like to position ourselves to be in this kind of location that we're noticeable, and if they are looking for an alternative, we're there on hand to provide them with that alternative.
Brilliant. Well, Anthony, thanks very much, and the services that you do are obviously key to the whole tourism industry. Wish you all the best for 2012.
Thank you.
And we'll speak to you later.
Thank you. Thanks very much.